I did all problems of JEE Mains today offline. I have seen whatever we studied, that is sufficient. This is 1 comma 0. This is 0 comma 1. So circle is passing through this one. So obviously this will be dia. This is A, this is B. When two extremities are known, what is the equation? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Where A and B are extremities. So what we get? X minus 1 into x minus 0 plus y minus 1 to y minus 0 equal to 0. This implies x square plus y square minus x minus y equal to 0. Now a comma 2a. A comma 2a, if you substitute, we get 4a square plus 9a square minus 2a minus 3a is equal to 0. From this we get 13a square, concyclic, yes, 13a square minus 5a is equal to 0. Either a equal to 0 or a equal to 5 by 13. So only a can take only rational values. Correct? So whenever we say it is 90 degrees, obviously AB becomes a diameter. So when AB becomes a diameter, extremities are 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. So equation of a circle will be x minus x1 plus x minus x2 plus y minus y1 to y minus y2 is equal to 0. Substituting these points, we get x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0. Given circle, 2a and 3a lie on the circle. Why AB is a diameter? Because angle made in a semicircle is 90 degrees. You studied in LKG. In a circle, angle made in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Again, equation of a circle 1001 having the smallest possible radius. Smallest possible radius means dia only. Correct. So many circles are possible. Good evening. 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1. Okay. So many circles are possible. But smallest will be circle having AB as a diameter. So many circles possible. Clear? But smallest circle will be when AB is a diameter. Just now we did it. What will be the answer? X square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0. Correct. So smallest circle passing through 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 will be smallest possible radius circle will be with circle where A and B becomes diameter, where AB is diameter. So AB is diameter means you get the same x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0. Option C. Just now we did it. Clear? Can I move further? Yes, so many circles are possible. Smaller circle will be there where AB is a diameter. So many circles are possible. But smallest circle will always be AB is a diameter. Radius of a circle passing through 6 comma 2 and whose two diameters are given. So simple one. Diameter in a circle, longest chord is diameter. So you have to find the center point. X plus y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 4. We subtract it. We get how much? Minus y is equal to 2 or y equal to minus 2. If y is equal to minus 2, x is equal to y equal to minus 2, x equal to 8. So coordinates of center is 8 comma minus 2. Okay. Another point P is given as 6 comma 2. Okay. This is the circle. And this is the point P given as 6 comma 2. This is center coordinates is given as 8 comma minus 2. CP is the radius. So under root of 8 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. How much we get? Under root of 4 plus 4 4s are 16. We get root 20, option D. So simple problems we can do little fast. Then we can discuss, we can discuss more J-means problems. Okay, simple one. These are the two diameters. Solving two diameters, we get the center. We know the point on the circumference. CP we calculate. We get the radius. Radius equal to root 20. Distance formula. Samyukta used distance formula. Simple distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? 17. Equation of a circle 2, 1 touches this one. So this line is touching this one. So this is 2, this is 2, 1. We use the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square is the radius. So you feel it is a simple. I'll show you very simple question they are asking. Same type of question they ask in JEE Mains. I'll solve today. So what is the radius we'll get? 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 1 plus 4 minus 5 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square. How much we get? 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 by 5 will give 1. So radius equal to 1. Center is 2, 1. So x minus 2 whole square, y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. What we get? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Option C. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. This is option C. Clear? Can I move further? This is M. Foot of perpendicular M. Done. So line is a tangent. Touches the circle means tangent. 18. If this line, diameters of a circle, area 5 pi by 4, 154. From this, you can find the center. Okay. So pi r square is equal to 154. So 22 by 7, r square is equal to 154. I think it will cancel 11 twos. 11 ones are 11. 44, 14. So 2 will cancel with 7. R square is equal to 49. R equal to 7. You know the radius. By solving, you get the center. You can get the circle equation. Option C will be correct. I think you all can do it. You can do it now. Radius equal to 7. By solving these two, you can get the center. Yes, you can do it. Good. 19. Triangle PQR is inscribed in the circle x square plus y square 25. Q and R the coordinates like this. So very simple. Class 10th problem. This is the circle. So this point is 3, 4. And this point is minus 4, 3. You have not understood it. 18. See, two diameters are given. Solve the diameters. You get the center. You know the radius. You know the center. You know the radius. You can find the circle equation. X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to r square. Correct? Now, this is the point P. This is the point Q. And this is the point R. This is O. What is the slope of OP? 4 by 3. What is the slope of OQ? Minus 3 by 4. It means angle between them is 90 degrees. Because this is 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. You studied in LKG. Angle made at the center is double the angle made on the circumference. So this angle will be pi by 4. In class 10th you studied. Angle made at the center is double the angle made on the circumference. Therefore, pi by 4. What is slope of OP? Slope of OP is 4 by 3. slope of OQ is minus 3 by 4. Okay, it means both are perpendicular. This is M1, this is M2. M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. Labeling is wrong. QR are the coordinates. Okay, Q and R. This I'll take it as P. Perfect? P, right? So M1, M2 is equal to minus 1 is the condition for perpendicular lines. M1 is 4 by 3, M2 is minus 3 by 4. Angle between them is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle made at the center is double the angle made on the circumference. This is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is pi by 4. Got it? Good. Anybody wants time? Can I move further? Yes, 20. Next one. A square is formed by the lines. What are the factors? X minus 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 9. Y minus 5 is equal to 0. It means this is x equal to 2. This is x equal to 6. And this is y equal to 5. And this is y is equal to 9. So it is a concyclic. Obviously, this coordinate A will be how much? 6, 9. And this coordinate will be B, or say this is A, B, this is C, and D. What's the coordinate of C? Coordinates of C will be 2, 5. So midpoint will be the center. What is the center now? Center will be 6 plus 2 by 2 and 9 plus 5 by 2. You get 8 by 2 is 4 and 14 by 2 is 7. Option B. Clear? 4, 7. All A, B, C, D are concyclic. Square is inscribed in. Diagram is very simple. This is x equal to 2. This is x equal to 6. This is y equal to 5. This is y equal to 9. This point will be 2, 5. This will be 6, so this point will be 6, 5. This will be 6, 9. This will be 2, 9. And this is 2, 5. So point of intersection of diagonals will be the center of a circle. Inscribed means inside. Subscribed means outside. Problem done. 21. Equation of a circle passing through 4, 1, 6, 5, having the center on this. Okay. We read general equation of a circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. Subscribed means outside. Plus c equal to 0. Passes through 4, 1. 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, 6, 5. 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c equal to 0. We subtract it. 10f minus will give you 8f. 12g means will give you 4g, right? So 36 will give 36 minus 10 will give you 20. This will give you 24 is equal to 0. So 4 you can remove it. You get g plus 2f plus 11 equal to 0. Correct? Now center lies on. What's the coordinate of center? Minus g minus f. So 4 into minus g plus minus f minus 16 equal to 0. Minus 4g minus f minus 16 equal to 0. Other equation is g plus 2f plus 11 equal to 0. Multiply first equation by 2, add it up. Minus 2f plus 2f will cancel. Minus 8g plus g will give you minus 7g. Okay. Minus 4 2s are 8 plus g. Minus 16 will give you 32. 32 minus 11 is how much? 32 minus 11, 21. So you'll get g is equal to minus 3. You got g equal to minus 3. If your g is equal to minus 3 means 12. 12 minus 16 will give you minus 4. So f is equal to minus 4. Okay. So what will the coordinates of center now? Minus g, 3, 4. Coordinate center is 3, 4. Clear? Option A will satisfy. Once you know center 3, 4, G and F values once you know, you put in the first equation to get the C. X by minus G. No, I have not replaced X by minus G. Because X square plus Y square plus 2GX plus 2F5 plus C. It passes through 4, 1. Substitute 4, 1. Substitute 6, 5. You get two equations. Solve these two equations, you get this equation. Center lies on this line. Center lies on this line. It means what is the center? Minus G minus F. So X equal to minus G, Y equal to minus F. You get another equation. Solve these two. You get the center. You get the center. Once you know the center, you put the G and C value here. You get the C value. Once you know C value, that is this circle equation. Got it? 22. This circle, same question came in JEE Mains 2020. Same question, only numbers were changed. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equal to 0. This is a circle equation. And this line is intersecting. What is the coordinates of center? Center is 2, 4. Center is 2, 4. You drop a perpendicular. That perpendicular must be less than radius. Perpendicular must be less than radius. What is the radius? Under root of 4 plus 16 plus 5 will give you how much radius? 5. So we write the modulus. Drop a perpendicular, modulus 2 into 3, 6 minus 16 minus m by under root of 3 square plus 4 square is less than 5. Correct? So this will give you modulus of m plus 10 less than 25. So what is the concept? Mod x is less than a means x lies between minus a and plus a. So what we get? M plus 10 lies between minus 25 to plus 25. So minus 35 is less than m is less than 15. So whenever mod x is less than a, x lies between minus a to plus a. So you drop the perpendicular from 2, 4 to this line. So what is the formula we used? We studied ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Correct? This is the length of perpendicular. That must be less than radius. Clear to you? Clear? So I'll do the same question what they ask in JEE Mains. Crystal clear? Now I'm doing the JEE Mains what they asked. Any doubt? So they have changed a little language. PPTR, you just download the question papers. So clearly you can download easily. Just type means paper, question papers in Google, you will get it. Resonance papers, you'll get it. Now, so I'll take the question what they came. I'm explaining it again. From this question, I'll explain. The 2020 September, JEE Mains, the number of integral values of k for which the line 3x plus 4y is equal to k, intersect the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the circle. Up till now, you all have collected JEE Mains questions. I don't know you are writing or just joking. 1, 2. You must have collected it. Same concept. Okay. What's the radius? Under root of 1 plus 4 minus 4. Radius equal to 1. So what we get? Modulus. So what's the line equation? 3x plus 4y minus k equal to 0. Draw perpendicular. 3 plus 4 2s are 8 minus k by under root of 3 square plus 4 square is less than 1. So we get k minus 11 is less than 5. So we get k minus 11 lies between minus 5 to plus 5. So this will give you 6 is less than k is less than 16. How many integers are there? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they asked in integer type. You can cross check. This is the same question asked. Tangent touches the line. Tangent is touches the line. Chord intersect. Chord intersect the circle. Tangent touches the line. Okay, it will never intersect. We never use the word intersect. See, you must collect JEE Mains questions as early as possible. 3 days holidays are there. Take the printout. Keep the paper with you. Do the straight lines and circle problems. Okay, then you get an idea. Yes, whatever we studied, that is okay. Please do it. Stage 3 students, each and every student have done each and every problem. If the line is diameter, no question, baby. Line is diameter, what you will do? Download it long back, then see the same question came. Okay, got the concept? Clear. Next question, 23. A chord of a circle passes through, it's a beautiful problem. Listen very carefully. Chord of a circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y passes through origin subtend an angle tan inverse 7 by 4 at a point where the circle meets the y-axis. Where it will meet the y-axis? Where x equal to 0. If x equal to 0 means y square minus 6y equal to 0. We get y equal to 0 or y equal to 6. Correct? Now I'll draw a diagram. This is the circle. Circle is passing through origin. This is the chord. OA is the chord. Now I draw another line. Okay, this angle is equal to alpha. And they gave you tan alpha is equal to 7 by 4. This is 90. Okay, so this angle is 90 minus alpha. But what is this angle? This is 90 plus alpha. This point is 0, 6. I name it as this is L and this is M. Okay, shortcut, very good. Great, you are to see great. Equation of LM. Equation of LM. Equation of LM is what? Y minus 6 is equal to tan of 90 plus alpha is the slope, x minus 0. We get y minus 6 equal to minus cot alpha x. But tan alpha is 7 by 4. Cot alpha is minus 4 by 7x equal to y minus 6. So y is equal to minus 4 by 7x plus 6. Okay. What's the circle equation given? They gave you circle equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y is equal to 0. X square. But what is the y value? Minus 4 by 7x plus 6 whole square minus 4x minus 6 into minus 4 by 7x plus 6, correct, equal to 0. When you solve this, you get x equal to 0 and x equal to 28 by 5. Okay, these are the values. I'm not going to complete. So what happens when x equal to this one? So y is equal to 14 by 5. What is this point? This point is point A. You got point A as 28 by 5 and 14 by 5. So what is the line equation OA? So OA will be y minus 0. Slope will be how much? 14 by 5 by 28 by 5 into x minus 0. So we get y equal to x by 2. Equation of chord OA. Please complete it. Any doubt, please ask. Once again, I'll explain you. Listen very carefully. There is a circle given, passes through origin and passes through 0, 6. Okay. And this is the chord OA. OA is the chord. Clear? And OA is making an angle alpha with the y-axis. This is alpha. So tan alpha is 7 by 4. You extend this line. This is alpha. This is 90. This is 90 minus alpha. So this will be 90 plus alpha. Okay, slope of line LM. So equation of LM is y minus x equal to tan 90 plus alpha into x minus 0. Okay, y minus x is minus cot alpha into x. Cot alpha is minus 4 by 7x. Y equal to minus 4 by 7x plus 6. Y value you substitute in the circle equation to get the point A. So we get the point A as 48 by 5 and 14 by 5. You get y is equal to x by 2. Note down. So when you solve the line LM and the circle, you get the point A. Point A coordinates you got at 28 by 5 and 14 by 5. So what's the slope? Slope will be x2 minus x, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So automatically it becomes 28 by 5 divided by 4. Sorry, 14 by 5 divided by 28 by 5. You get 1 by 2. So y is equal to x by 2. Very good question. Tan 90 plus alpha is minus cot alpha. Tan alpha is 7 by 4. Cot alpha means 1 by tan alpha. So that's the reason we write minus 4 by 7. Tan 90 plus alpha second quadrant, tan becomes negative. 90 means tan will convert to cot. It becomes minus cot alpha. Okay, next one. 24. Tangents are drawn to the circle x square plus y square 32. From the point lying on x-axis, tangents cut the y-axis at B and C, then the coordinate of A such that area of a triangle AB is minimum. Again, a good problem. Same, this also asked in JEE Mains. So I'll take a whiteboard. So this is a circle given. Center 0, 0. Tangents are drawn. So this point of intersection is, we can take as point as A. So this point is B at y-axis. This point is C. Drop a perpendicular. Name this as alpha. If this is alpha, this will also be alpha. Correct? So what is the radius? Root 32. Because circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 32. Okay, radius equal to root 32. So this is O. This is P. So what we get? We get OP by OA. OP by OA equal to sine alpha. Okay. So what is OP? Root 32. So what is OA? OA equal to root 32 by sine alpha. Any doubt? We got OA. Now if you take the triangle OPB, in triangle OPB, in triangle OPB, so what we get? OP by OB. OP by OB is equal to cos alpha. So what we get? OP, OB, OB is nothing but OP by cos alpha, which is equal to root 32 by cos alpha. So we got OB. What is the area of a triangle ABC? Area ABC is half, 2 times half OB into OA. Correct? 2 and 2 will cancel. OB. OB is root 32 by cos alpha into root 32 by sin alpha. Clear? So what we get? 32 by cos alpha sin alpha. 64 by sin 2 alpha. When sin 2 alpha is maximum, you get the minimum area. Okay. So sin 2 alpha maximum means 1. 64 by 1 is equal to A. When you get minimum, so when you get maximum, when 2 alpha equal to pi by 2, alpha is equal to pi by 4. Alpha is equal to pi by 4. Once we know alpha is equal to pi by 4, what is OA? OA is equal to root 32 by sin pi by 4. So this will give you how much? Root 32 means root 2 into 4 by 1 by root 2. How much we get? 8. So OA is equal to 8. Means 8 comma 0 is the coordinate A. Any doubt, please ask. I'll show the question once again. Such that area of triangle ABC is minimum. When area will be minimum? When denominator is maximum. Sin 2 alpha maximum. When sin 2 alpha is maximum. When sin 2 alpha is 1. When sin 2 alpha is 1. When alpha is equal to pi by 4. 2 alpha is pi by 2. Alpha equal to pi by 4. Please do it. This was 2019 J means problem. Okay. Any doubt? Please ask. This chapter is over. No, it's not over. A lot of questions we have to do. All J means problems I have to do now. 24, 25. Two distinct chords. It's again a J means problem. 2019. Two distinct chords are drawn from A comma B to this circle and bisected at x-axis. Then roots of equation. Beautiful problem. X square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. It means it is passing through origin. I'll take the whiteboard. This is a circle. On this circle, A comma B is there. Okay, I'll draw more elaborate diagram. Like this. This is A comma B. Two chords are drawn like this. So this is x-axis. This point is bisected. Means these two lengths are equal. Take this as x1, y1. Okay. It means x1 plus A by 2 is equal to some alpha. And y1 plus B by 2 is equal to 0 because it bisected on x-axis. So we get y1 is equal to minus b. What is the circle equation given? X square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. So y1 equal to minus b, I will substitute x square plus b square minus ax plus b square equal to 0. Because x1, y1 lie on the circle. I won't substitute x1. I'll keep in x1 only form. X square minus ax plus 2b square equal to 0. Quadratic equation. What is discriminant? Discriminant will be a square minus 8b square is greater than 0. Why greater than 0? Because this is a real. X1, y1 is real. Now they gave a quadratic equation. Bx square, they gave you bx square minus ax plus 2b is equal to 0. What is the discriminant? Discriminant is a square minus 8b square is greater than 0. Therefore, what you have to write? Roots are real and distinct or unequal. Okay, I'll show the question once again. Two distinct chords are drawn from the point A comma B to the circle, are bisected by x-axis, then roots of this quadratic equation. So this is one chord bisected on x-axis. It means y coordinate 0. So b plus y1 by 2 is equal to 0, y1 equal to minus b. Put it in the circle because x1, y1 lie on the circle. Once you put in the circle equation, yes, whatever may be, y1 plus b by 2, because it is lying on x-axis now. All the points which lie on the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Clear? So from this we get y1 is equal to minus b. y1 is equal to minus b, you substitute it. So what happens? X square plus b square minus ax plus b square equal to 0. You got a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation discriminant is a square minus 8b square is greater than 0. So what is the given quadratic equation also same? It means this is given to us, therefore distinct roots. Array 8a square minus b square is positive, na? I'll show the question once more. Two chords are drawn from the point A comma B of the circle, are bisected by x-axis, then roots of quadratic equation are. Clear? How do you know discriminant is positive? Array, he already gave, this is the distinct. X1, Y1 is lying on the circle, na? So discriminant is greater than 0 because X1, Y1 must be real. So from this we got a square minus 8b square is greater than 0, and quadratic equation is given a square minus 8b square greater than 0. Clear? Okay, erase this one. So what is this equation given? This is given as a square minus 8b square is greater than 0. Yes, whenever discriminant greater than 0, you get distinct and real roots. If discriminant is equal to 0, both roots are equal. Discriminant less than 0, imaginary roots. Next one. So again, excellent problem. This is also JEE Mains question. This question also asked in JEE Mains. Two circles touch x-axis and the line y equal to mx. They meet at 9,6. One more point and the product of radii is 117 by 2. Then the value of m. Really good problem. Okay, I'll take a whiteboard. It's a little big, but it's a good problem. This is y equal to mx. I'll do slowly. This is one circle. This is another circle. This is the center. And this is center. And a line passes through centers. I name this line as y is equal to nx. Okay. Now, center coordinate. This is C1 center. And this is C2 center. I take center as x1 comma nx1. Why? Because it is lying on the line y equal to nx. Passes through origin y equal to nx. Like this. What is C2? C2 is x2 comma nx2. Clear? And this point is 9,6. You join this. This is the radius. This is the radius. So what is the radius? Radius equal to nx1. What's the radius? Nx2. Correct? Now, in general, I can write center as x comma nx, where x1, x2 are the two roots or 2 points, you can say. Now, apply the distance formula, Cp. What is Cp? Cp will give you x minus 9 whole square plus nx minus 6 whole square is equal to n square x square. Because nx is radius. Roots of these quadratic equations are x1 and x2. Okay, I'll expand it. If we expand, what we get? X square plus n square x square plus 9 nines are 81, plus 6 6 are 36, minus 18x minus 12nx is equal to 0. So we got a quadratic equation. X square nx square is equal to not 0. 1 minute please. Is equal to n square x square. These two will cancel. We get a quadratic equation x square plus x common. We get minus 18 minus 12n. Okay, plus this will give you how much? This will give you 81 plus 36 is how much? 117. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. What is the product of roots? X1, X2 is 117. X1, X2 is 117. Any doubt in this up till now? What is CP? CP is the radius. CP is the radius of a circle. Either CP1 or CP2 are the radius of a circle. Because C1 is center, P is 9, 6 is given to you. Now this angle is alpha. This angle is also alpha. Now what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to n because y is equal to nx. Tan alpha. What is tan 2 alpha? Tan 2 alpha is m. Okay, what is tan 2 alpha? 2 tan alpha upon 1 minus tan square alpha is equal to m. It means m equal to 2n by 1 minus n square. This we got it. Now we want the value of n. How we get the value of n? They gave you radii, product of radii. They gave you product of radii is 117. They gave you C. Product of radii is 117 by 2. What is product of radii? Nx1 into nx2 is equal to 117 by 2. So n square, what is x1, x2? 117 equal to 117 by 2. It means n square is equal to 1 by 2. N square is equal to 1 by 2. We got it. Okay. N square is equal to 1 by 2. We substitute here. So m value is 2 into 1 by root 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. So what is m value we get? Root 2 will cancel. We get 2 root 2. Once we know the 2 root 2, equation will be 2 root 2 x. This only have to prove it. Okay. Go through slowly, you will understand easily. It's not at all tough. How angular bisector are? Clearly by when this is passes through center. That's why I'm saying class 10th geometry must be very strong. So this distance is same as this distance. This is the radius, this is the radius. This is a perpendicular bisector. Congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. Okay, I'll explain you once again. There are two circles intersecting 9, 6. One tangent is x-axis. Yes. Okay. Another line is y equal to mx. We draw tangent. Sorry, we draw a line y equal to nx. I'll show the question also. Two circles x-axis touches the x-axis and the line y equal to mx, and the meet at 9, 6. One more point and the product of radius 117 by 2. Find the value of m. This also asked in JEE Mains as well as JEE Advanced. For x1, xn, x1, CP distance formula, CP square. We got the distance formula. We got a quadratic equation x, and x1, x2 are the roots of equation. Product of radii they gave. Radii is I already wrote nx1 and nx2. N square x1, x2 is 117 equal to 117 by 2 they gave you. So from this we get n square value. We know this is alpha, this is alpha. So tan alpha is n, because this is the slope of line is, slope of line you always we call as tan alpha. Tan alpha is n, tan 2 alpha is m, 2 tan alpha of 1 minus tan square alpha is m. From this m equal to 2n by 1 minus n square. We substitute the value of and we get the value of m. Okay. Product of roots. In a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Product of roots, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. Correct? Still require time? Done? Good. Next one. 27. How to make geometry? Anything you want to become strong means you have to work hard. Okay. Consider the circle L1, L2 be the two lines from the origin and the tangent to the circle at A and B. Okay. Then if the measure of angle AOB is given to you. Clear, simple one, formula based. This is a circle given. What's the circle equation? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 49. Circle equation. X square plus y square minus 14x minus 4y plus 49 is equal to 0. Now L1, L2 are the two lines through the origin. So this is the origin. From the origin you have drawn it. You want this angle. Clear? Angle between the lines you have to mark. Any doubt in this? So this angle is alpha by 2. This is 0, 0. What is length of tangent? We have already studied OA. Length of tangent is root S11. What do you mean by root S11? X1 square plus Y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f51 plus c. In our case, x1, y1 is 0. So get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 49. We get 7. This is equal to 7. Okay. What is the coordinate of center? Radius is how much? Radius is equal to under root of 7 sevens are 49 plus 4 minus 49. Radius equal to 2. Okay, this is 7 and this is 2. What is tan alpha by 2? Tan alpha by 2 is 2 by 7. So you get tan alpha. What is tan alpha? 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. We get 2 into 2 by 7 upon 1 minus 4 by 49. You get 28 by 45 is equal to tan alpha. Yes, S11 is equation of a circle only, where x1, y1 is the point from where you have drawn the tangent. OA is the length of tangent. Length of tangent formula is root S11. Okay, root S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1, 2f51 plus c. X1, y1 is origin here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 49. Root 49 is equal to 7. Clear? No. Tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha upon 1 minus tan square alpha. Diagram once again. This is a circle. This is a circle. From the center, you drop the two tangents. Okay, this is the length of tangent. Okay, this is the OC. This is the CA. Both are perpendicular. This is perpendicular, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, This is tan alpha by 2 is 2 by 7. Clear? So 28 by 45 will come. Clear to you? Thank you. Next one. 28. Common tangent to circle. Before I discuss, I tell you the concept. This is also very important. When two circles won't intersect at all, how many tangents are possible? 4 tangents are possible. Okay. What is the condition? This is also every year they ask. C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. 4 tangents possible. Next. This one circle. This another circle touching each other. So this is a common tangent. Then what happens? This is C1. This is C2. C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay. 3 tangents possible. Next one circle intersect another circle. Only 2 tangents are possible. What's the condition? C1, C2 lies between mod of R1 minus R2, mod of R1 plus R2. There are 2 tangents possible. Modulus, of course, here not required. When circle touches inside, then what happens? C1, C2 is greater than mod of R1 minus R2. Sorry, equal to R1 minus R2. Then what happens? 1 tangent possible. Next, one circle inside another circle. C1, C2 is less than R1 minus R2. No tangents, 0 tangents are possible. Please write down. Then I move further. One, two, three, 4. Case 1 again now. Very simple. When two circles won't intersect, so what happens? This is the center. C1, C2 will always be greater than R1 plus R2. This is R1, this is R2. 4 tangents are possible. This is called direct common tangents. This is called transverse common tangent. This is transverse common tangent. There are 2 direct common tangents. Third one, when 2 circles intersect, C1, C2 must lie between R1 plus R2 and R1 minus R2. Are bhai, you remember the formula, please. How and all those things you studied earlier. Please, now it's a time to remember the formula and apply it. Proofs and all you have studied earlier. Now, if you start proofing it, I can't complete the problems. You must, at present situation, you remember the formula, that's all. So we apply the same one. Number of common tangents. What is the C1? C1 is -1 minus 4. What is C2? 2, 5. What is R1? R1 is under root of 1 plus 16 plus 23. What is R2? Under root of 4 plus 25 minus 19. So how much we get here? 24, this will give root 40. Root 40 is 2 root 10. And this is how much? 29 minus 9 is root 10. So R1 plus R2 is equal to 3 root 10. Okay. What is C1, C2? C1, C2 is under root of 2 plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 4 whole square. Will give you how much? This is 3, this is 9 plus 9 nines are 81. 3 root 10. So what we observe? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. So 3 tangents are possible. Again, I'm telling you, these 30 problems of classwork, 30 problems of homework is more or less sufficient for your JEE Mains examination. You learn properly, write the formulae properly, that much of information is sufficient. Yes, NCERT exemplar also good. Okay, next one, 29. Circle this cuts another circle in A and B, then the equation of circle AB as a diameter. As we did in straight lines, if you remember, L1 times lambda times L2 is equal to 0. Same concept here. S1 lambda times S2 is equal to 0. This is one circle. This is another circle. So this is a circle passing through intersection of these two circles. Clear or not? Passing through intersection of these two circles. Okay. Whenever we subtract two circles, we'll get a common chord. Please remember this. When you subtract two circles, you always get a common chord. This is called common chord. Common chord. Okay. So you get a common chord whenever you subtract two circles. If you subtract these two circles, what is the common chord we are getting? X square cancel, y square cancel. 2x minus 4x will give you minus 2x. And 3y will cancel. 1 will give you minus 1. It means common chord is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. What is saying? This common chord A and B is the circle with AB as a diameter. So AB is a diameter they gave. Clear? Now S1 plus lambda times S2. I'll take a whiteboard now. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus lambda times another circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So this circle becomes x square plus y square, x times 2 plus 4 lambda by 1 plus lambda, y times 3 plus 3 lambda by 1 plus lambda. I'm rearranging, that's all. I'm not done anything new. 2 plus 4 lambda plus 1 plus lambda plus, you get 1 plus 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda equal to 0. Any doubt? Circle equation, x square plus 2x plus 3y and x square plus 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y plus 2. Clear? What's the coordinate of center? Center will be minus 1 minus 2 lambda 1 plus lambda, comma. Here center will be minus 3 lambda by 2 times 1 plus lambda. What are the coordinates of center? Minus g minus f. Okay. This center lie on 2x plus 1 because this is AB. AB is the diameter. So it means 2 into minus 1 minus 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda plus 1 equal to 0. We get minus 2 minus 4 lambda plus 1 plus lambda equal to 0. We get minus 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. This lambda value you substitute in the given circle equation. you get the given circle equation. Any doubt, please ask. This is step 1. This is step 2. This is step 3. This is step 4. And this is the step 5. This is the chord equation. Chord equation, common chord, we got it as common chord is the diameter. Obviously, center will lie on diameter. So 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is the AB. This is the AB. This is A. This is B. So this is the common chord. Why we multiplied by 2r? See, the line equation is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2 into x. What is x? This is x. This is x as coordinate of a center. Actually, what they mean is, they mean 1 and 2 again. See, if I want, this is the circle. This is another circle. Circle passing through intersection of these two circles. Are bhai. Are, this is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 na. 2g is 2 plus 4 lambda by 1 plus lambda. What is g? 1 plus 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda na. What is minus g? Minus times of minus 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda. Okay, got it? Good. So once you substitute the lambda value, you get your required. What is common chord? These two circles, this is common chord. This is AB. Okay, you draw a circle, this is AB. AB has a diameter. I will show the question once again. These two circles cut another circle in AB, and the equation of a circle with AB has a diameter. AB has a diameter. Okay, I'll erase and show once again. Yes, I'm showing once again. This is one circle. This is another circle. This is common chord AB. Okay, you have drawn a circle, passes the intersection of these two circles, where AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter for this circle. Clear? Okay. Next one. Got it? Once you get the value of lambda, okay, you can find the value of lambda as minus 3. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. You have to substitute, get the circle equation. X square plus y square plus x times. So this will give you 2 minus 4 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Further you solve it, you get the value. Option B is correct. Next one. Anybody wants time? Next. So option B will come. Question number 30. P2 comma root 2, PQ and PR are drawn to the circles. QR touches the circle x square plus y square. What's the value of A? See, this is the circle. Okay. So this is the point P. From the P, you have drawn a tangent. So the point P is 2, 2, 2 root 2. Tangents PQ and PR. This is PQ. This is PR. So this is common chord. So this chord is touching the another circle. So this circle is x square plus y square is equal to 3. You have to calculate the value of A. Now, here the concept. This is circle. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. This is the chord. This is x1, y1. Sorry, x1, y1. AB. So AB is called chord of contact. What's the equation? Xx1 plus yy1 g times. Before I started the class, I told you f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of AB. This is equation of AB. In our case, P is given as, what's the point P given? 2 comma 2 root 2. 2 comma 2 root 2. What is the circle equation given? X square plus y square equal to a square. So what is x1, y1? X into x1, 2. Y into y1, 2 root 2 plus 0. G is 0, F is 0. Center is 0, 0 plus 0 minus a square equal to 0. So we got 2x plus 2 root 2y minus a square equal to 0. So this line is tangent to x square plus y square is equal to 3. So you drop a perpendicular from center, that must be equal to radius. It means minus a square by under root 4 plus 8 is equal to root 3. So we get a square is equal to root 3 into root 12. So a square is equal to root 36. A square is equal to 6. A equal to root 6. So this chord of contact is tangent to the circle. X square plus y square equal to 3. Okay. So you find the chord of contact. Chord of contact AB is xx1 plus yy1 plus g times x plus x1 f times y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So here the center is 0, 0. So therefore, common chord you get, chord of contact you get as 2x plus 2 root 2y minus a square equal to 0 is the chord of contact. This chord of contact is tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 3. You drop a perpendicular from center, that is equal to radius. Okay. Next, I'll take J-means problems. Again, I'm telling you, done. Your homework is all 30 problems. I'll be doing J-means question now. Chord of contact is entirely different from tangent equation. Chord of contact means if two tangents are drawn, those tangents are touching the circle at A and B, AB is called chord of contact. Here x1, y1 is outside. In the tangent equation, x1, y1 is on the circle. Form of lines are same. But here x1, y1 is on the circle. Here x1, y1 is outside. Clear? Any doubt? Next one. If the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 8y plus 16 minus k equal to 0, touch each other. Touch each other at a point. At a point. Then largest value of k. Correct? 2020 September month. Okay. What is the center of a circle? C1 is 3, 0. R1 equal to under root of 9 minus 8 equal to 1. What is C2? C2 is 0, 4. R2 is equal to under root of, radius is equal to how much? 4 4s are 16 minus 16 plus k. R2 is equal to root k. Clear? Case 1. Case 1. Lot of students did mistake. Case 2. When they touch externally, so what happens? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. What is C1, C2? C1, C2 is 5 because Pythagoras theorem. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 1 plus root k. So root k is equal to 4. So k equal to 16. 16 was the answer. Everybody student wrote 16. But if the circle touches internally, because they have not mentioned anything, so what happens in this case? We get 5 is equal to modulus of root k minus 1. What is the formula? C1, C2 modulus of R1 minus R2. So what we get? 5 is equal to root k minus 1. 6 equal to root k. So k equal to 36. 36 is the answer. JEE Mains 2020 September. I think September 5 or 4. Anything tough in this? No. They have not given multiple answers. They have given, that's why they are asking the largest. They have not given, Dhruti, they have not given internal or external. So you have to consider both the cases. So 16 is bigger or 36 is bigger? Obviously, 36 is bigger. So that's the case. Answer is 36. What? Something they are asking? Understood? Please do JEE Mains problems. Take the printout, collect the circles problem and straight lines problem. Please do it. For whom you have to study? For yourself, not for neighbor's dog and top floor cat. You have to study for yourself. Hardly time is left over. So straight lines over, circles over. Please collect those problems. 2019 and 2020. It is available. Okay, go through that. If any doubts are there, next class you can say, sir, September this exam, this date, I am not able to solve. Please solve it. I'll solve it. Okay, next question. Array, February will be, I'm telling you, February exam is damn simple. Throughout the country, they are not studying. Just little hard work. You don't have to cook food at home. You don't have to clean your washroom. Okay. So you have to just study. That's all. Okay, next question. If the length of the chord, if the length of the chord of the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, okay, along the line y minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 is r, then r square equal to, class 10th problem. This is a circle. Okay, this is the chord. This chord equation is y minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so you already studied in 10th class, chord is bisected by the perpendicular. These two are equal. Okay, length of chord they gave as r. So obviously this will be r by 2. And this is r by 2. Okay, drop a perpendicular from center. Okay, drop a perpendicular from the center. How much we get? 0 minus 0 minus 3 by under root of 1 square plus 2 square. This will give you how much? 3 by root 5. This is 3 by root 5. This is m. So we got OM equal to 3 by root 5. This is radius r. So use the Pythagoras theorem. R square is equal to r square by 4 plus 9 by 5. Okay, so 9 by 5. No, OM equal to 3 by root 2, correct only na? 3 by root 5, correct. So how much we get then? 9 by 5. So we get 3 by 4 r square is equal to 9 by 5. Any doubt in this? So what is r square then? 3 and 3 will cancel. We get r square is equal to 4 3s are 12 by 5. R square is 12 by 5. That only you have to calculate. Tell me what is tough in this. This is JEE Mains 2020. Pythagoras theorem. This name it as A. Name it as B. Okay. OM square plus MA square is equal to OA square. Using the Pythagoras theorem. OM square plus MA square is equal to OA square. That's the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Why x square plus y square? In the question it is given by, the question says length of a chord of a circle is x square plus y square equal to r square along the line 5 minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. They given the circle. Okay, circle equation given. Next one. Quickly we can do one more problem. The circle passes through intersection of x square plus y square minus 6x equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Having center on 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Right, same thing as we did. This is one circle, this is another circle. Okay, so this is the circle S1 plus lambda times the new circle center lies on this line 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Very simple. X square plus y square minus 6x plus lambda times x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. We get x square plus y square minus 6x by 1 plus lambda minus 4 lambda y by 1 plus lambda equal to 0. Coordinates of center will be 3 comma 3 by 1 plus lambda and 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda. This center lie on this line. Okay, 2 into 3 by 1 plus lambda minus 3 into 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda plus 12 equal to 0. We get lambda is equal to minus 3. This lambda equal to minus 3. Substitute back in the circle equation. you get the required equation. This was also JEE Mains 2020. So very carefully we have seen all questions. I can explain you once again. This is one circle, this another circle, a new circle intersecting these two circles. That is a new circle. One circle C1 or S1 plus lambda times S2. You got new circle. This is a new circle. The new circle center. New circle center lie on this line. Okay, you get lambda equal to -3. That lambda equal to -3 you substitute here. You get your required equation of a circle. Required equation of circle you get as x square plus y square plus 3x minus 6y equal to 0. Right? Understood? Bye.